So here, what we'll be doing, so see, actually, like if I want to take a square of any matrix, it usually like it's a matrix multiplication. That matrix into another matrix, right? Again, like that is like entirely different concept which we will be dealing with the matrix. But here, for instance, if you want to take a particular power of these elements, so for instance, like if I consider something like here in this particular example, 3 square, 4 square, so on, like same power. So then we will be, so actually you had seen like element wise multiplication, that is dot star, right? So in the same way, we have element wise exponential, that is dot into cap, dot cap. You see, this is a vector, right? So m dot cap square, it basically takes the square of each element. So here in this case, like 9, 16, 25, 36, 49. We'll see how we'll do it in MATLAB. So this example, line space 943, this I take. So see, actually each time if you do not assign anything, right, it will by default it will assign a variable called answer, and equivalent variable will be created in the workspace also, the answer. So what I'll do, answer dot cap cube I'll take. So in the slides I had mentioned as a square, and here I'll take cube. So 9 cube 729, 7 cube 343, 5 cube 1. So in this way, we can use the exponential.